Hi there, I thought I'd do a quick update on Lilac Lodge and show you the chimney that I made for it. Now Lilac Lodge has changed a little bit since you last saw it. I decided the front all being one colour was a little bit boring, so I painted the windows and the door. Now the outside isn't finished yet. I'm probably going to put some flowers up the outside and certainly make the door look a little bit more door-like. So maybe put a door handle on or a door knocker, that sort of thing. And I've yet to decide whether or not to put any curtains in the windows. I'm not sure it really needs it because it's quite a small house, and most of the time I'll be displaying it with the door open. So obviously when the house is closed you won't see the chimney at all because it sits at the top here and is hidden away, but when it's open you will see this. So this chimney was made by 3D printing, and on the back it's got a little section for the DC jack to go into. So that's where the mains power will go into the house to feed all the electrics. So it's 3D printed. Anyone who's not familiar with 3D printing and how it works, what you do is you design what you want to make on a computer program and then send that design to your printer, and then your printer makes it for you. And you can also download templates as well. There's lots of pre-designed templates out there that you can just send to your printer and print that for you as well. You don't have to design your own stuff. Now a 3D printer makes things by making coils of the item. So basically it puts a layer upon a layer upon a layer. So it's the same idea of a coil pot in pottery. So to make a coil pot, you would put lots of coils of clay on top of each other to make the coil pot. With the 3D printer, what you do is you get filament. And this is a black version, which is exactly the same as this, but this just happens to be white, and this is black. You feed this into your printer, and then it turns it into little layers that you can make up the items out of. So if you look closely at this, you'll see there's lots of ridges on the item. So what I'll do is I'll sand those ridges down a little bit, then I'll paint it so it's a colour, so it's more in keeping with the rest of the house. So that's my next job, is to get this sanded and painted. I need to put a little bit more decoration on the outside of the house, and then I think we are ready for the big reveal. It's all finished inside, so it's just the outside I need to finish. So I'm really excited to get this finished and share it with you. So hopefully it'll be soon. So see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.